Hi guys, Leslie here with James Martin Signature Vanities. Today I'm in the beautiful Dallas showroom and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a drawer from your James Martin Signature Vanity. First, you want to locate the tabs on either side that lock the drawer to the drawer glides. You want to gently push the tabs inward. This will unlock the drawer from the glides. Then you will be able to lift the drawer up and out. Now you can see where the levelers are located on each side of the glides. When your vanity is new, the levelers are preset to the lowest level. Most of the time there will be no need to adjust the level of your drawers, but at some point it may be necessary. To adjust the level of each side of the drawer, you turn the leveler screws to the right and to the left. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the drawer. Set the drawer gently on the drawer glides. Not too far back into the vanity, just on the glides. Hold the glides into place so they don't move as you gently push the drawer forward so that it falls into place. Then find the tabs again. This time, gently pull the tabs outward. This will lock the drawer in place. Now adjusting those levelers may only be necessary if the weight distribution is off due to the contents in your drawer. So keep that in mind. If you're a little messy like me, you may want to rearrange those contents in your drawer. Well, that's it. It's just that simple. Next time, tune in for my video on how to remove a shelf from your James Martin vanity.